What up, YouTube? It's your girl Mag.
And it's Rosh.
And today we back with another reaction video. Right now I finna react to Lynard Skynard, Free Birds. It's our first time reacting to these artists on our channel.
But if there are any other videos, just drop them things in the comments. But look, man, if y'all new to our channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. But look, man, let's get to this video. So, is this like a band and all of them people is in like the band?
I think so.
Cause
I mean, they all wouldn't be in front
on the cover, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. To play them guitars.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still?
For a minute, I thought it was just all gonna be
just the playing the guitar.
Guitars, yeah.
Yeah, I did too for a minute.
Like, they go come on. They took a minute
he
to
came
come
on,
but he
smooth.
came on smooth, right on point.
He smoothly hopped
yeah,
on.
Smooth,
no lie.
Hopped on, right on point.
Would you still remember me? Well, I must be traveling on now. Cause there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And
He's talking about telling the girl like he can't stay with her or if he gonna stay with her, some things gonna change because he free as a bird.
Now.
Hey, he went for that.
things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't
I wonder which one was singing out of on the picture.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm thinking it was like the one in the purple or the one like in the orange, because I like the one that's like off, like, you know. Unless other people finna come in and sing.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if it's just that one, it gotta be one of those. Can y'all drop in the comments if y'all know which one was singing?
Yeah. changed.
They just switched it up.
Switched it up real quick.
I thought it was gonna be like that through the whole time, but they like hold up. They really picking it up. Right. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna go back. Hold up. Man, they going crazy right now. Who's that? That's a guitar, right?
That's a guitar.
Who is that?
He is going.
Because y'all drop his name in the comments, man. Like, because I know it's like multiple there, but which one was? Hey, they tight, man. They tight. They tight. I like how they turned that thing up. They turned that thing down, but they didn't turn it too down. They turned that thing to that good mood.
Yeah,
hey,
man,
that was that good vibe. They turned that thing down.
out.
Hey, this was a good one.
That was a good one.
This was a good one. This was a good one.
It's just fading out.
I like how it was just fading away.
Right.
Hey,
that was nice.
But this is nice.
It was talented, man. They did their thing.
They are real talented
shocked.
with the drums, the
They
guitar.
went from the singing to then doing the guitar.
I think I heard the piano in there, but I'm not too for sure.
Yeah.
I'm not too for sure. Can y'all drop that in the comments, man? If I heard that piano thing up in there, man. But hey, man, if there are any more songs, man, drop them things in the comments, man. If they got anything live, could y'all drop that in the comment? Because I really want to see them live. Man. It's a lot of them. I want to see who do what.
Who playing what.
For real. But yeah, man, any other videos, drop them in the comments. If y'all new to our channel, like the video. But look, man, catch y'all on the next video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, too. But look, catch y'all on the next video.